Okay, I'm having some issues with the F80 elastic resin from RESIONE. I did some test prints. They're kind of shabby. These are Bic lighter cases. Got some plastic hanging off, but here's what my vat looks like. My vat is completely all clumped up. I don't know what is going on. I don't even know how I'm going to clean this, but the vat is just ruined. This is absolutely insane. So now I'm going to have to completely clean the vat out, and all this material is going to have to be wasted, unfortunately. I was using proper settings. I just don't understand it.